Do you like pushing people's buttons? Do you like pushing buttons in general? Do you have restless hands? Well, I'm gonna have some cool files for you, let me tell you. I'm gonna upload these tomorrow. Some of these will be free. There'll be ones that you could easily scale and customize, just in case, you know, you're in the mood. And fun for the whole family. I don't even know if I'm going to release this one. Anyways, this one's going to be for my subscribers. Yeah, it's a stash box, of course. So cool.